Share this video for me. Share this video for me. Please, I'm begging you. Because someone has defrauded me very serious. Someone has defrauded me. Serious. I will explain to you. How are you? I know by the grace of God, you are fine. Please, I'm here to announce something to you. Maybe you are a Borosho member, or you are a Obinim fan here, or maybe you are not fan of me, or you are not part of Borosho members, but you have God's Spirit. You have God's Spirit. Please, I'm begging you, share this video for me. Share this video for me. Please, I'm begging you. Because someone has defrauded me very serious. Someone has defrauded me. Serious. I will explain to you in English because maybe you don't understand our local language. So I will explain to you with English very soon. So I would like to speak our local language to those who understand my language. That is Ghanaian language. Tree. So I'm coming. Ebushia, assembling in an say, will be edimidin Jessica wo internet in so minim ho hwe. Temesrawo. Video me twa share ma me patcho share pa obi dimidin no Jessica so ne Bishop Obinim. Me patcho nyamia. Iti announcement a meye wo video mu ne say wa obi ene wo chat se woni Bishop Obinim e wo Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube bia no me patcho nyamia. Because obi ewura mi Facebook page ni. Obi ewura mi Facebook page ni, obi ewura na wone bebre chat te say yemia. Na wo the telephone numbers nyina eto ho no. Even ofeni video call kra na utiri me picture ana me video bi a me twa to te se nka me ka say ana me picture bi no de ato ho na video no ana say picture na wo kasa computer tricks AI na yes ade no e say no computer tricks na ba ni AI no ne nyema no start to crazy wa otimi etuni na even yesu picture kra no wo hage wo bi me so hu sa ne ma bebrebe so ti o me de computer no AI no tricks no attrick ma bebe eti ubetimi o metima fo bi picture na ese picture na kasa aso mutimi fa wo bi video na ese wono na kasa ba na nyo no eti mo amo frefre video call na wo behu sa ese mete wo na me hyeche ase me hyeche bi na me ne mo kasa ase mete wo bi say na me ne mo kasa ase video call enya me ehu eyi obi ene wo wura mi Facebook page obi na wura mi internet page ni ene wone wo chat say ye me Bishop Obi enyo no enye me a ti mesrew wa obi a request sika bi afri wo nchen so ne Bishop Obinim se ni sika ma no ana se send o picture fama no ana se mani sika no to miracle items bi mro no me pacho ena on frodo enye me a on frodo ti mesrew ma men ka no kranchiro if he send me injiro bi ni Bishop Obinim me te asole ebepem ne minji obi asika wo Facebook ene TikTok na TikTok na YouTube minji obi asika da ya asole dem ne bo afore so obi a me bo afore wa asole dem ubo bi asa council na beba ubo bi asa se ma request sika bi wo Facebook ana me ne wo chat wo Facebook ipacho nya me a enti wa obi ne wo chat wo Facebook say ono ni Bishop Obinim enti me pacho Bishop Obinim Ministries here Sami page we na Bishop Obinim Ministries we na we ye so Obinim wo chat say eyo no ne Bishop Obinim ono ne Angel Obinim nti saneniska no nya akwankyere ma saneniska no mompa ye ma me pacho nya me a me no obi an chat wo Facebook me no obi an chat e wo TikTok me no obi an chat e wo Twitter na Instagram na YouTube me no obi an chat te mesraw nti so di kan sanisika ma wo bi no say ye Bishop Obinim ono ne Bishop Obinim ono ne Angel Obinim Into or the bomb payama, what send no picture ama will be so only Bishop Obinim on any injury bin, what send no picture amano. No as I send this cahodia and enyamia. Into Mr. Ubi na frodo. Ubi ask coming. Ubi ask coming. It's Mr. Enyamia. Me will be on chat to Facebook. Apart from me, I'm a telephone number, you could tell me. Apart from me, I'm a telephone number, you could tell me I'm going for chat or message in WhatsApp. Me will be on chat and chatting with Facebook. That the same to TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Me will be on chatting. Me need time cry, me ko chatting. Apart from me, I'm a telephone number, you could tell me. Me slow, me poucho. Dinami din slow. Into telephone number now will be the amount of say friend and me. Telephone number no be the amount of friend on enyamia. I say telephone number no be the friend on enyamia. Sa number no minim ho hwe. Me pa cho enyamia. Enna me se me no obi an so on chat. Me no obi an chat. E wo Facebook ho me chat. Nti me so e obi na wura ni Facebook account nim. Em se ni pa ko no ye best or ye IT. We obi o nim computer mu pa nim sa ne ma internet ti wo wuram. And one what chat say you may Bishop Obinim and yamia a pacho. Tomu di midini boom for don't call for scamming for and yamia. To what would you can send this scam on the omebu? You see me be that. I want to speak to those who cannot hear our local language. Please, somebody has hacked my page, my account. Somebody has entered into my Facebook account. The person has hacked my accounts, the Facebook. So the person using my name as an Obinim, Bishop Obinim to chatting people, it's not me. So the person using my name and my face, fraud people, scamming people, it's not me. That's why I'm telling you that somebody or someone has defrauded me because the person using my name defraud people. It's not me. So be very careful from today going. Don't allow anyone to scam you. Don't allow anyone to fraud you. So I'm not chatting with anyone in Facebook. So be very careful. You are chatting with someone in Facebook or TikTok or Twitter or Instagram or YouTube, and the person say it's me, Bishop Obinim. I'm a Bishop Obinim. It's a liar. It's a lie. It's not me. I'm not chatting with anyone in Facebook. Don't forget, I said somebody or someone has hacked into my accounts. The person has entered into my accounts. And the person using my name as a Bishop Obinim, Obinim to defraud people. It's not me. So please don't send any money to anyone. Don't send any money to anybody. They are still scamming people. They are still defraud people. Share this program for me. Share this video for me so that everyone will see. Please, I'm begging you. Share the video. So from today, don't chat with anyone in Facebook. The person say, I'm a Bishop Obinim. So let's chat. Don't chat with anyone. Maybe you have already sent the money to the person. The person has already collected your money. It's not me. Yes, you can report it or you can report this scam people into any near police station behind you or around you. And give the number to them, the police people. Give the person number to the police people. It's not me. Please, I'm begging you. Someone has defrauded me. That is the video message I'm sending to you. So the person using my name, Bishop Obinim, Obinim to defraud people. So don't chat with anyone again. It's not me. It's not me. It's not me. It's not me. Don't chat with anyone in Facebook and the person say, I'm a Bishop Obinim. I'm not the one. I'm a Obinim. I'm not the one. I am Bishop Obinim. You are chatting. I'm not the one. The person will say, call me video call. They call me video call. You see my face. Call me video call. You see my face. It's a liar. It's an AI trick. The person can use my video. The person can use my picture and programming the AI. So you see my picture and the picture is talking. You see my video and the video is talking like me. It's not me. It's an AI trick. It's a computer trick. It's AI trick. Because now you know AI can do many things. Even picture can talk. Even a statue can move. That is AI trick. So don't do it again. I'm begging you. Don't do it again. Don't chat with anyone in Facebook or TikTok or Instagram or YouTube again, and the person will tell you that you are speaking to Engineer Obinim, Bishop Obinim. Don't do it again. This is an announcement for you. Please share for me. 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 May God bless you. Bye bye.